Hello, my dear friends. A wonderful greetings to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to our channel Blue Sea. My dear friends, in this video, we are going to see the accommodation of the ship. Let's see the accommodation inside as well the outer view of this accommodation. See this very nice view from the back side of the ship and the starboard side of bridge wing as well. See the maximum length of the ship and come and start from the A deck platform. Start the view from our seaside. See the cool and peaceful climate of the evening time. And in this video contains the Indian people explain about the nearby place as well. The Philippine people sing a song in the mess room, so lot of entertainment inside this video. So watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe our channel and press our bell button and come with me and let's enjoy this video and as well have a good experience at the end of this video.
Amazing places. Even also you have you want to see जो भी यहाँ के देखने का लायक है, लेकिन पोर्ट का एरिया में तो बहुत कुछ देखने का लायक है, लेकिन बाहर जाएंगे तो बहुत कुछ देखने के लिए मिलेगा और साथों साथ भी और ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस भी. लेकिन एक बात है, आउटसाइड too much pieces have, I mean placement whatever you had to look in the places is too much distance. क्योंकि मैंने देखा है अपनी जगह जो भी है प्लेसमेंट का जगह जो भी रहता वो थोड़ा कम रहता, लेकिन मैंने देखा वॉलीबॉल का ग्राउंड है, बास्केटबॉल का है और जो भी फुटबॉल का जो भी खेलने का ग्राउंड है वो बहुत पीसफुल है. पीसफुल यानी बहुत बड़ा है. देखा जो भी बोला और हम तो ऐसे ही दिन गुजार रहे हैं. थैंक्स फॉर यू.
At the daytime, let's see the outer side of the accommodation. This is the crane and see the maximum height of the ship from the A deck. See the outer view of this accommodation. The right side is the bridge wing. See the pipelines and the lightnings, emergency lightnings from the outer side of this accommodation doors. And at the evening time, same, you can watch the view how it is. So these experience which gives you a good and nice remembrance for you guys, so that I take the shoot in the daytime as well the night time. See the evening view at the top side of the ship. This is the accommodation port side platform, small space. These are all the containers for the cargoes. And now ship at the sailing time, ship is moving on at the evening time. And see inside the accommodation now. And this is the alleyway inside the accommodation. This is the room right side. See how much space for walking side. Nearby there is a support rod for when ship rolling and pitching. It make you for the supports. And this is the washing room. Washing machine is there. Maintain cleanliness, and this is for washing clothes. And this is the alleyway for the accommodation, and this is lift elevator. We call this elevator. This is for inside the ship for using emergency purpose for the crew as well for the officers. Up to floor F we have that in the ship, and top of that's a bridge wing. So it's a very big vessel that is for elevators. And inside the accommodation you can see top side lightning cover, that is a smoke detectors. Every lightnings have covering with a plastic with a fiber cover. Right side that is the emergency bell ring. See the bell rings, support rods, and doors are always closed in sailing as well at the port also. The sufficient lightnings for all the floors. And now we are going to see and enjoy the songs for the Philippine peoples.
Wow!
short entertainment inside the vehicles. Even though we miss our family, even though we miss our relations for a long time, inside onboard we are one family. We are encouraging one by one. We are encouraging each others and enjoy ourselves like our brothers. And this is a nice humanity example, as in my view. How you feel about this video? Let's share this video to your friends if you feel good, and make sure to give a like, comment, and thank you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Love you all, sir. Love you all.
Love you.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.